YouTube, what's up? This is Garrick and I'm back with another video. So this is post number 3. I'm really excited. We're going to do a big bloom today on a 12 by 12 panel board. I have some dope colors picked out, and I'm going to take you through the whole process. So we're going to jump right in, but before we get started, I have a secret. Well, more of a tip, but we're gonna say secret because secret sounds so much better. So I was helping another bloom artist with her blooms. We had set up a Zoom, la da da da. Well, we got on the subject of paints and how expensive they are, and cheap paints versus more expensive paints. And you know, to me, the quality of paint, a little bit of paint goes a long way when you're using a quality brand. Nonetheless, we got to talking about metallics, and she did not know Artist Loft makes an iridescent medium that will turn your regular paints into a metallic paint. So this could potentially save you a bunch of money instead of going out and buying cobalt blue and then metallic cobalt blue. Just buy your cobalt blue, mix a little bit of the iridescent medium with it, and now you have metallic cobalt blue. You know, so you keep that going with your other paints or whatever colors you would like to mix up. So I wanted to share this tip with you guys, help you save some money. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is the iridescent medium by Artist Loft. It's very thick. It's a 4-ounce bottle and it retails, I want to say, for $4.99. Michael's is always running a coupon, so it's relatively inexpensive. So you can put a little in or a lot, and it really gives a luminous shine to your paint. So I'm not sure if you can see this, but it's pretty thick. So that's for that. Let's go ahead and jump into this awesome bloom, and we'll get started. Okay, so here we are. We're just putting a little pillow on the panel. I'm lining the panel because I want to make sure I have that coverage and flow when the paints get to the edge of the panel and that they don't stop. Because you want that flow so that the runoff really looks natural. Here, what I'm doing is the extra pillow paint that I laid around the edge, I'm fanning it out. I'm trying to avoid the paint setting before I can actually get it to move and having the ring that shows up sometimes under the paint. This paint is house paint. It's Color Palettes by Walmart, and it's, you know, not typically used in this fashion, so it's designed to set very quickly. Here we're going to lay down our beautiful colors. This first color, which is magenta, is done in real time so that you can see the flow and how it comes out of the container. The remaining colors have been sped up just to conserve a little time. And while we're here, if you would take just a moment to hit that subscribe button down below and go ahead and like this video. Here on top of the gold, we have some black, yes, some lamp black going in. I have this slight obsession with black and dark blue in my blooms. They react so well together and generally create these beautiful galaxy looking ebbs and flows in the paint, what's blown out. This pink color that you see is a light magenta, and I've topped it off with a little bit more gold. So here, right here, is the cell activator, aka the magic sauce, and we're about to get this party started. A quick tip or secret, we'll call this one a secret, that I like to do is, if you see that magenta, when I get to the tops of my bloom, I like for my contrast color to be a little thinner. It just seems to really help with that flow. So without further ado, we're about to have a little party. Now, I don't want to stop the party, but why was I so close to the panel? I messed up a perfectly good bloom, but we're going to try and recover it. All right. So I'm doing a lot of tilting here, trying to cover up that mistake. And as I tilt, it actually gets better. So I'm pretty satisfied with this, and great teaching moment. That sometimes things don't go as we plan, but it can still turn out to be something beautiful. Okay, so let's talk about the tilting really quick. All the footage that you're seeing of the tilting is actually in quadruple time. The actual footage was about 16 minutes. So the tilting process is very tedious, but don't rush it. Of course, I sped it up so that the video wouldn't be too long, but I just wanted to pass along that information. My first two posts, about 30% of my viewership is from Australia. So hey, to the people down under, like I want to visit Australia and New Zealand, and I love the accents there. So that's all for today. Remember, do everything with love. This is Garrett Brown Art Studios. Peace.